Bienvenidos, this is Tammy and vamos a Cartagena. We're going to be going on an adventure to the north coast of Colombia by the Caribbean Sea. Buenos días, chicos, chicas. Estamos en Barranquilla, Colombia, porque este fin de semana es un día de presidentes de los Estados Unidos. Entonces, yo no tengo trabajo los lunes. Está bien. Okay. Don't worry, guys. I won't be speaking Spanish in the entire vlog. But let's go get breakfast.
Cuisine ne sait pas, ne ressent rien, et mon cœur s'efface dans ce vide sans fin. Les parfums flottent, mais toi tu pars. Des silences lourds, des regards épars. Je cherche encore.
We're in Cartagena. It's so pretty here.
Cuisine ne sait pas ni le matin. Oh, tu pars.
So, I'm currently in Cartagena. We drove from Barranquilla over here, and so it took around like 3 hours. But we're currently in a district called Getsemaní, which is like a very artsy area. There's a lot of street art. It's super colorful. So lots of flowers, like so much flowers, and look at all the colors. If I were to live somewhere, it gotta have like flowers and lots of colors. So we're living in a super like boutique hotel, so I'm really excited. Those are my favorite types of hotels because it's like one of a kind and it's like a fun experience. So let's get exploring. This is Getsemaní. This is Cartagena's beating heart of culture and history. Getsemaní is known for its vibrant street art, music, and great nightlife. The beautiful murals really come to life as you walk through the alleys, and as you're looking at the murals, you really see the story of resistance, heritage, and local spirit. In this part of town, you'll find a lot of street dancers, fruit vendors, got some orange juice in La Plaza de Trinidad. Very refreshing. And around the corner, you can find Parque Centenario. You know, within 10 seconds of walking into Centenario Park, I saw a monkey. I've never seen a monkey in a park before. In fact, I've never seen so many types of animals in one day. After seeing this monkey, a local took us to see a sloth family, which is crazy. Who would have thought you can find a sloth family within a park? Over here, you can see Mama, Papa, and little baby sloth hanging out in the trees. Wow, that was so cool, seeing all those animals in the wild. It was literally just in this park. And finally, we have made it to the walled city. Absolutely beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, and also super colorful. I'm such a sucker for these flowers hanging on these door frames. It's called Bougainvillea. Don't know if I butchered the name, but they're so pretty. I want this in my future house. It adds such a stunning color to the colonial architecture of the neighborhood, and it just gives me so much serotonin when I look at them.
Tasse chaude, un café doux, le jazz tourne.
Good morning. I have my matcha powder because we're gonna have breakfast.
Un éclat de lumière dans tes bras. Chaque instant murmure une symphonie au sommet du monde. Je vis l'harmonie. Les nuages dansent au gré du vent. Les étoiles brillent, éclatant doucement.
Buenos dias in Cartagena. How cute this hotel is. Hoy vamos a la mercado. Es super local en este área. So, let's go.
De la terre, chaque regard, chaque mot me transporte dans un rêve.
Our first stop today in our schedule is Mercado de Bruzuto. It's located only 15 minutes out of the walled city. It's also Cartagena's busiest and most authentic market. We visited in the morning so you can really see the soul of the local life. And those who are seeking Cartagena's raw and authentic vibe, this is your spot. This is Cartagena unfiltered. And also, don't forget to look both ways when you're crossing the road.
La lumière danse, le temps s'arrête. Sous ce plaid, mon cœur se fait. Oh mon bonheur, si simple, si vrai. Un instant temps où tout me plaît. Oh mon bonheur, rien de...
Perdón, ¿qué es la fruta de zapote? Esta disculpa. Fruta de pop.
Dar una vuelta por la playita. Te voy a llenar de besitos la carita. Un día conmigo es lo que tú necesitas. Sonriendo tú te ves más bonita. Baby, te voy a dar una vuelta por la playita. Te voy a llenar de besitos la carita. Un día conmigo es lo que tú necesitas. Sonriendo tú te ves más bonita. Baby, yo sé. Ey, la vida es así, la vida es así. Pero ponte el traje de baño, mami, que te va a buscar. Te dejo mojadita, el sol te va a secar, sí, te va a quemar. Tú eres mi canción favorita y en repeat te va a tocar, ey, te la va a aplicar. Quiero dibujar corazoncito.
Do you hear that? Those are all parrots. Oh, I hear one. That's so sick. We're currently in Aviary National Park, and all these sounds that we hear is all these birds that live within the area. It's so cool. Look at this. Oh my gosh, what is this?
Les fleurs s'ouvrent, un parfum nouveau. Le soleil
The more you look, the more there are.
tableau.
Wow.
Ton amour est le vent sous mes ailes. Il m'élève haut jusqu'aux étoiles éternelles. Au sommet du monde, je me sens légère, portée par l'amour. Loin de la terre, chaque regard, chaque mot me transporte dans un rêve doux.
So sick. Okay, so in front of me, I'm seeing 4 peacocks. Oh, do you hear that? I see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're literally just chilling. So fun. Who are you? You look like you're... There's probably like 100 flamingos here. So freaking sick.
Un dernier regard, un dernier adieu. Sous la pluie douce, nos cœurs silencieux. Les mots se brisent dans l'air glacé. Des souvenirs flottent jamais effacés. Je te cherche encore dans le
Hi, we're at Murai Club Baru. It's on like the Baru Islands. We just finished at the National Park. So fun. Let's see what we want to eat for lunch.
Mais tout s'éteint doucement. Oh, les ombres du passé.
Airbnb tour. So we have a room in here.
Me desperté al mirarte recordé que ya todo lo encontré. Tu mano
Let's see our view. Ah, it's nice. Wait, there's a football field. Oh, and a swimming pool.
Vamos pa' la playa, a curarte el alma. Cierra la pantalla, abre la medalla, todo el mar Caribe.
The weather in the morning feels so good. The breeze, you can start smelling the ocean because the humidity is rising. This is great. I need more of this. Whatever this is, I need more of. My mom wouldn't let me buy milk yesterday, so we're just drinking straight matcha Americano. And then I got yogurt. So I got one in strawberry and one in mora. Mora isn't exactly like blackberry. I don't think, it doesn't taste exactly like blackberry to me, but it is a type of berry. So today is Sunday, so it's the rest day.
My family and I couldn't get enough of the walled city, so we are back again, but this time it's sunny. The first day it was a little bit cloudy, so you couldn't really see how vibrant the city and all her colors, so we're back again.
Oh my god, it's so windy. And our last destination is Castillo de Salgar, which is on the very north part of Colombia. The Caribbean Sea is right here. What a great way to conclude the trip. You can see all the cliffs and people are here enjoying the sunset. Looking good.
Plonge tourne dans l'océan. Ma maison vaste, mon doux néant. Je suis un dauphin.
Sous le ciel gris, un vent léger.
对啊，就是叫敲啊，然后里面就这样啊。就是可以吃啊。
Mes pas résonnent, mais où aller?